Oh.
Hey, Ella, where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your mouth? Where's your hair? Where's your teeth? Where's your belly? Oh, belly! Where's your cheeks? Where's your cheeks?
A glass.
Yeah, Gus is outside. Where's your cheeks? Your cheeks. Are you strong? Oh, you're so strong. You tooted on Dad. Okay, where's your bottom? Yep, there's your bottom.
A glass.
Can you say, I love you?
I love you.
Thank you.